Welcome to Dorman Products Spark Plug Thread Repair Kit installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be light to medium difficulty of installation. We recommend an advanced do-it-yourselfer or a technician handle this repair. Depending on your vehicle, this installation will take approximately 1.5 hours to complete. Begin by using compressed air and safety goggles. Blow out the spark plug hole to remove any debris present. Then remove the old spark plug. Once the old spark plug has been removed, remove the new spark plug from the repair sleeve and install a small amount of anti-seize to the thread area, set aside. Next, install a small amount of high-temperature sealant to the repair sleeve threads. Carefully install the repair sleeve into the cylinder head until it bottoms out. Tech note: do not tighten excessively. Over-tightening will cause additional damage. You will feel the repair sleeve bottom out. Allow the thread lock to cure per the manufacturer's recommendations. Next, reinstall the spark plug and torque to specs, see shop manual. Finally, change spark plug boot on existing coil to the supplied shorter boot to match new plug.